Folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacks Beach, and today we're going to talk about the all-new 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This year the boat went through a whole new renovations to showcase some of the things up at the bow, but we're going to start back here in the transom. This boat is outfitted with a great 300 horsepower Mercury. Back here in the transom, you'll notice that they make it very easy for you to access and get the motors and the equipment started. You have all your battery switches back here. Plus, you also have a freshwater washdown over on the port side as well. If you're back here lounging in the sun and you want to change some of your radio controls, there's a remote radio control station right there, which gives you a little bit more flexibility back here, not having to come back in the main salon. One area that is really impressive on this boat is the amount of storage that you're going to find underneath that lounge area, which is this great compartment, which gives you the ability to put some things here to get them out of the center console in the boat. The main salon area is designed for social settings. So as you look inside the boat, you'll notice that all the seats are kind of facing each other. And even if you're sitting up here at the captain's chair or the co-captain's chair, if you're wanting to spend time with people on the boat and not have to be facing forward like a lot of boats are designed, just simply move the seat back, both the helm station as well as the co-captain's, and you all can have a nice social setting back here and have a nice lunch, because there's also a remote table that can be put inside the boat, so you can have a nice table back here for social settings. One of the features that they retained from the 2024 version of the 250 SDX is the small cabin that goes with the boat. This boat with the head also has a small sleeping quarters underneath. It gives you the ability to get out of the elements if you run into inclement weather or if you just want a place to rest for a while. As we move up into the bow area, you'll notice that, again, with that same thought process or that same philosophy, they want to make sure that they give you plenty of social room so that you'll have seating on this side as well as this side. All of these seats have storage under it, and if you'd rather have this set up as a full lounging bed, there's an expanding cushion here that allows you to set this up as a nice lounging pad area as well. This boat can be also equipped with tower speakers on top of the tower. You'll notice that on both sides of the tower. So it gives you optimal sound as you are interested in maybe some of that on the board the boat. As we move back towards the helm station, you'll notice that the helm is nicely designed with both twin simrads. One that we have set up with your chart plotting, and one you can manage your engine performance on the other. This is a great Sea Ray 250 SDX. Please give us a call if you have any questions. My name is Will Porter. The number here is 549, area code 904-549-6082. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.